1971 grabber green Demon, Dodge Demon, so 340 engine. In other words, another screamer. This is basically a stock jobber. This is all, you got the flex fan on there, that's cool. Headers. It's got the low back bucket seats. I guess that's from the 71. I guess in 72. It's got a 4-speed or 5-speed. 4-speed. That's cool. Nice. This is one of the attention colors. I had like a mellow yellow, grabber green, I don't know, whatever they crazy plum. They had some wild colors with the cartoon characters back then, Chrysler. Of course, Ford had some of that stuff. I mean, Ford actually used that term grabber green on the Maverick and stuff. It's got like true race styling here because you got, steel gray wheels, simple, a little bit raised in the back, a little bit more meat on the back and rubber the tires. As a matter of fact, these windows, I believe you can change these very easily. These are like pop-out windows. Some people like to pop out better than the other ones. If you want to change them to roll down, it's pretty easy to do that. I know it's easy to do it on the Roadrunners. You can change the roll down windows pretty easily. There's nothing different about it except the regulator and some of the mechanical stuff to make the window roll up and down, the tracks and stuff. The paint on this thing really sets this car apart. Just the fact that it's this bright green like this. It's wild, man. Which goes good with that. It's like a tan interior, so it's a good choice of color. And you got the blacked out hood. That was very popular back then. A lot of people were taking blacked out paint, painting hoods. That was for like racing. You don't have the reflection on your in your eyes from the sun and stuff. So you had your hood blacked out. This was a very popular thing too. They would say you get 5 horsepower out or whatever the hell it is because the fan would flatten more. I don't know if that's a flex fan or just a plastic fan, but the flex fan would flatten more at high RPM, so it wasn't like dragging as much. It wasn't as much drag on the engine that you had to turn that fan because the fans would go like this, the blades would go like that. I don't know if that's not really a flex fan, it's just a lightweight plastic fan, but that was a very popular upgrade because it was cheap. You get more cooling power at idle, and you had more blades on the fan, and then when you revved it up, you actually got 3 horsepower. Maybe it wasn't as much as they claimed, but it was something. But you got more cooling power when you're idling. So, very popular upgrade. Maybe not that particular upgrade, but it was like a flex fan.